Hi tribe, welcome to my channel. This is my moving vlog. This yellow lights, go away. And like you can see or tell from the thumbnail, we're moving. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Afolake and this is Flookiesden, and I share content that help new immigrants settle easily and faster in a new land. And I'm excited today because I am sharing our moving vlog at the end of December, and this is exciting for us because it's been what we've looked forward to, and I just feel that this is the time. So when you watch my vlog and I share things and I say don't compare yourself, don't look at somebody else to pick or do your things, you can learn, but don't feel that you're under pressure to do things, because whenever it's time for you, it is always the best time. So hit that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe, and continue to follow this channel. On today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you as much as I can, and there will be clips of so many things that have been moving, you know, those moving pieces here and there as we plan moving into our new home. So we've been packing. It's so difficult, you know, sometimes when you are so comfortable in a place. We've been here for 3 years now, and I can tell you for free that we moved here exactly when we landed. So we were in the Airbnb and finally got this place, and we really and truly love here, and it's been comfortable for us. So we've not looked elsewhere and trusted God that from here we're moving to our own house, and it has happened. So we're excited to share this journey with you. We're excited to share this experience, and I'll be doing a bit of some footage about how we've been able to get something. Although I've gone ahead to do so many things, preparing to move is not easy, guys. It's not easy. There's so many things to it, emotional, you know, there's just so many things for everybody, because it is our home and everybody has to be part of this experience. So we've gone ahead to grab some things, got things for the, of course it's a bigger place, more rooms. We have a den, so I have a place where I can vlog and also have my office space, because I've been sharing this place with, you know, there are boxes everywhere. So that's my office space currently, and I've been working from home from there, and looks into my sitting room. And there's so much of interference when it comes to other people doing stuff, especially when they are home or when the children are on holiday and some of them want to cook. You know, this Canada house, you get a CB. Our Nigerian house, you know, you can be in your kitchen and be doing stuff. You can be in your office space and be doing things. And yes, there's no interference. But here, everything overlooks the kitchen to the dining to the living room. It's good though, but it also has its own part. So there's been interference when it comes to people wanting to do stuff, and I'm telling my people, I'm on a call, or I'm in a meeting, or I'm having interviews. Don't put on the microwave. There's so much like that thing, and then they're always like, oh my God, because you're working at home, we can't even walk, we can't even move, because there's always distraction or interferences. But now I guess I can have that space to be able to, you know, be away from the general space in the house, and there's no interference. So I'm so excited about that. That was one thing that was part of our desire with our new home, that we wanted a space so I can vlog there, I can have my meetings there, work from there, and any other thing anybody wants to do in an office space, there's just that room for you to close the door and just don't have any distraction. So that's exciting for us. So we have that. And we also have a living room upstairs, so the children can also lounge there. But I have hand stuff. They have told me, Mom, you have been so involved in this decorating and putting things together. We want to do our things ourselves. So I've given up the upstairs for the children particularly to get whatever they feel. There is a lounge area, so they just want it as simple as possible. And I've said, okay, let's see what you've got, let's see what you want, and let's feed it there. So I've left that for them. I'm not doing anything. Well, of course, we have a countertop in the kitchen, and we've gotten bar chairs as well. We got that from Best Buy during the Black Friday season. There was sales, so we targeted that time and were able to get good deals. I'll be flashing those things here, so when this video will come live, we would have been in our home. Then I'll be able to flash those items where we got them for you. So we got the bar stools. We got about 3 of them. There's a theme around our house: gray, there's white, a touch of the orange thing as well. So we have those bar stools are also gray. If you remember one of my videos that I shared, that I saw that said that my Black Friday steal, there were 2 items that I got. There was a chair. Let me show you that. It's still here. This chair that I got from Leon, and of course it's also a bar stool actually, but I'm transforming it into like a side stool, and another kind of like a 2-in-1. It's going to be a stool in my bedroom, and where I can put things, maybe a tray if I want to eat in my room, or just be comfortable in the room. So that particular chair, I eventually got 4 more for the dining chair, but we haven't made up our mind on the kind of table that we're looking for the dining, also considering the space. So that's pending, and that will be revisited afterwards. But we got these chairs from Leon during their Black Friday sales as well. It was a steal. What else did we get? The blinds, got some from Home Depot. It was a headache trying to get to a covering for the living room windows. There's a sliding glass, and I didn't want the conventional kind of blinds. As an interior decorator, and also knowing all these things, I know that some blinds are really not durable, so I wasn't going for those blinds, and I wanted the ones that would be durable for, I know I don't have young children, but at least I want to make it as durable as possible. And the option I was going for was going to make me have to order. This is my blind for the new house. This is the blind, just got delivered. I wasn't even expecting that this will come right now, but everything is ready. Hey guys, so I'm just coming in with my family. They'll come in shortly. I we all went to check the house before we move in finally, and to see if there are pending things to sort out, which of course there are. And that's why that was done, because this is a new build for us. So things needed to be put in place or put right before we move in. And the obvious thing that we found out was that even though we specified, or it was in the contract agreed, that our appliances should be part of the things that will be installed upon us getting in, we found out that there was no washing machine, there was no dryer, there was no stove, and there was no fridge. Guys, don't let me unblast these builders, but they've done so well till now. Even though for the contract, for actually what we agreed, it wasn't included initially, but we insisted. So I guess they didn't plan it. Maybe they missed it. So I want to say that they missed it. So hubby will be going to the shop to go and pick out appliances to fit in that space, because we just have about 2 days left. So we need the fridge, we need to wash, we need to dry our clothes, and that's why all this needs to be in place. Let me show you what the house looks like now. Almost a disaster, guys. See. So we boxed everything boxable. I have my pillow cushions in those bags. Removed some things here, like this is my accent chair. I removed the seat because I don't want any dirty hand to touch it. So I'm going to wrap this chair as well nicely. I will be rolling the rug later today, and just wrap these chairs a bit, at least just to minimize dirt. I'm still going to steam it when I get to the house eventually. Steam it and make it really nice. We'll use these blankets. I have a couple of blankets that I've used, kept on the chair here. We're going to use them to wrap the TV stand. It's glass, those black glasses, and we want to keep it as safe as possible, so we're going to wrap those. And we just have piles and piles of cartons and things somewhere, and these are still more cartons. We had to use some of the grocery cartons to want to pack some things. Oh, disaster. But where we're moving to is much spacious, of course, and I'll take you on that tour when the time is right. Don't worry, I'll take you on the tour. Don't worry. I'll take you on the tour, definitely. So guys, catch you up later. Just thought I should give you these updates on what's going on. So guess what came in the mail today? Remember I spoke about us ordering stuff from SHEIN as we look at items that we're going to use to decorate our home. So SHEIN collection came in the mail, not so much of it. You know, SHEIN is not that expensive, and you don't pay shipping if you have quantity from what you order. So we bought a few things. I'm going to be unboxing it for you, so you see the things that we bought. Let's go there. So these are little plants for decor that I got. These are artificial plants. Some of them are really small. So these are plants, decorative pieces. So I'm going to fold them nicely. I got this one. I can't remember right now, although the receipts are here, but they are really cheap items. I got 6 of this because this was, I think, $1 something. Yeah. So that's this one. This up. These are leaves. Leaf 1, leaf 2. I got 3 of this one. Then there are the bigger ones. Just watch what I do with this. So I got more of this one. Then this is another one. So these are all my son bought some bracelets and the shoe. That's all for my SHEIN collection. I hope you like it. I will be showing you how I make use of all of this to decorate my space. So watch out.
Look! In fact, look at everybody that showed up. Look at us as if, oh my god. Oh my god, this is our house. Bye bye. 231, 2302. On to the next. Oh my god. Look at the cars of people that showed up. Oh, even with this big truck. Oh my god. On to the next. So, this is we moving out of our current house. Basket, then there's still one more.
What else are you taking?
Those ones are the ones that can go in the car. Every other thing, empty house.